Alright, gonna fix some rust today. Just gotta cut a little bit off again. Well, that's probably where I'll stop. Just because my phone's probably going to die. And I ain't got very much storage. Well, I think it turned out pretty good so far. Just some more to come. Should be a good time. I just got to finish up this partial tube chassis I got going on here. Next is probably going to cut this. And we're going to put some plate steel on here. Tie this shit together here. And then I got that tubing to attach the back end part for the rear clip. Then this side will be done. Then I get to go to that side. The only thing I got to replace for rust is up here, so I'll just do another one of these panels, and then I want to make this hole disappear most likely. Unsure yet, because maybe I'll run the intake out of there like it used to be when it was stock. And then let's see, here we got another piece right here. This one's got some rust. It's rusted out in the back here, so I got to cut here and then re-weld in. I had already done this on the other side right here. It's just, everything's just tacked on right now. I ran out of good welding wire, so I threw in the cheap China wire that came with my Harbor Freight welder. So stay posted. I'll probably try and do more videos as long as this one turns out pretty good. We'll see.